Hey, I'm back, baby. Hi, I am back from vacay. Whew, we just got back today. Let's see. It is Friday, June 28th. It's 1:20 p.m. We got home around, I don't know, 10:30-ish this morning. We got home pretty early. Got up the ship really early. So hi, I missed you guys so much. I will be filming a little like vacay recap / vlog type thing. So in case you're interested in, where I went, what we did, things like that, look out for that video. I will be filming that, I don't know, within the next couple days. That will also include like a recap of my spending and things like that. By the way, if I sound congested and nasally, it's because I am. Spoiler alert, I got sick on the trip, so boo. But hi, we are here to do a cash stuffing, and it has been a freaking minute, man. So let's get on going. As usual, I didn't really prepare. I just, I hit record and yeah, this is what we're doing. So let's check on the rollover here. Let's see. I'm expecting to have a pretty good amount of rollover because, well, obviously we were gone for the past week, and then the week before that, I don't think I really did a whole lot of spending. So we're just gonna see. Let's see what we have here in terms of cash. Let me also grab a little bit of sort quick. So let me know what you all have been doing. Yeah, like I said, I missed you guys, and I did have, videos planned the whole way through, including one coming out today, my YouTube check. So, it's kind of like I was never really away, at least for you all. Okay, do you see this here? Look at this. Is like, I told you all, I think this is like leaking or something, because of like maybe the humidity down here. And yeah, so I'm gonna need to, I don't know, I'm gonna need to do something with that, but yuck. Okay, anyway, all right, so this is the rollover. So let's see what we have. All right, so 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 217 out of 280. So, not too bad. I'm very happy with that. As always, this is going to go over to the side for savings challenges. So I'm just going to set that right over there. And then we are working with, I think this is 300, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83. Yeah, 300. And I do need to make change for myself, so I'm going to have to do that. All right, this is my seasonal undated budget planner. It is available on Amazon. It is linked below. It is a full color planner, and each month has a different theme. So you can see here some of the themes that we're on. We are on June, which is this cute little stripes and sun shiny type of theme. And let's see. June 28th. Okay, so 280 is going to go to the wallet, and then we're just doing 2 quick little sinking funds. So let's put this to the side, sort of. It's going to be kind of in the way. Let's get 280 out. So actually, I think it should be this. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. Yeah, 280. So that just goes right in here. It's nothing fancy or fun or interesting. It just goes right in my wallet. I personally don't use separate cash envelopes anymore because if one envelope was empty, I would just pull from another one anyway. So I figured, what's the point? So, that's that. This wallet, by the way, is also linked in my Amazon storefront, which you can find below. I really like this wallet. It's working great for me. It did come in other colors as well, just in case, you happen to be interested in that. And then we have $20 left for sinking funds. So we're only doing 2 very fast, quick little sinking funds. So let's grab this out and see if I can make change here. which I don't know if I can. So Beauty is going to get $10, and I like to do that in real cash. And of course, I can't make change. So hold, please. All right, so I grabbed some change, and let's take 10 of this and put it in here, add it all up. I think I do have a massage appointment coming up in July. I also need a new tracker. Let me grab that. So yeah, so I believe, like I said, that I have a massage coming up in July, and I thought about canceling it because of like the house and everything, but you know what? I'm not going to. I already have the money for it because I have a gift card here. I will need some more money though, like for a tip. And then I also would like to re-up on some of my facial products that I get from there. They are pretty expensive, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to. Maybe I'll get like one of them or something. I don't know. But we should have 95 in here now. 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So 95 in Beauty. And speaking of the house, you guys, it is so close to closing. Oh my gosh. Our closing date is July 10th. I can't even believe it. It is nuts, insane. I can't believe it. So that is gonna be fun, crazy, exciting, all the things, nerve-wracking maybe, I don't know, stressful, who knows. So we need to start thinking about moving. We need to like start trying to like pack and get rid of things and all the things. And so yeah, it's just gonna be crazy busy times from here on out for a while. Like I said, our closing date is July 10th. We probably aren't going to move right away. I don't know if we'll even be in by the end of July. We do have the luxury of staying in our current house as long as we need because my father-in-law owns it. And there are some little projects that we want to get done before we move in. So I'm not exactly sure when we will be moving, but we do need to start, packing and things like that. Okay, so Prime is the last sinking fund we're doing, and we're just putting 20 in. Now, I do have $10 left over in cash. That's just going to go towards savings challenges, and the only reason for that is because I can only take increments of 20 out of the ATM, so because I wanted that $10 for Beauty in real cash, I had to take an extra 10 out as well. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm just going to put it towards challenges, and it's no big deal. And this 20, it's going to just go right in the savings account. So 20, 40, 60, $80 here in Amazon. This is for Amazon Prime subscription, Amazon Kids, Amazon Music, all the things. So I save all year to pay for those things. I pay for them a year at a time, and yeah, so that's not due until 2025. That is it, my friends. A very short one today. Thank you for watching. I'm so happy to be back. There's nothing like home, man. I mean, vacations are fun and everything, but just to be home and back in my familiar places and everything, it just feels so nice. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the savings challenge video. Bye.